Hello, welcome to 4.1 day 1. Our goal today is we're going to be representing linear relationships using tables. So we're going to solve and substitute a value for x, solve for y, and we're going to repeat as needed until we fill out the table. Here's my example. So it says the equation y equals 3x plus 2 gives the total charge for one person, y, renting a pair of shoes and bowling x amount of games at Baxter Bowling Lanes based on the prices shown. Make a table of values for the situation. So we're going to use the equation y equals 3x plus 2. And then I'm going to replace this x with all the values in here one at a time. So my first x is 1. So I'm going to rewrite the equation 3 times, instead of x, it's going to be 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Bring down the plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then I'm going to do it again and do it and swap out for 2. So 3 times 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. So my answer there is 8. 2 more. So I'm going to do 3 times, you got it, 3 plus, oops, I was going to say plus 4, plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Last one, I got 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 8. Nope, I got that. I was thinking 8, 4 plus 2, 4 times 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And there you go. That's it. So you could do these by hand. You could do these in the calculator. And in the calculator, you can use Desmos. So go to Teams. Go to our team. Go to Desmos Calculator. Or you can type into Google Desmos Scientific Calculator. And then we're going to go 3 times our first number, which was what? 3 times 1. 3 times 1 plus 2. Look at that, gives you 5. That was our first answer. Then the best part is come back here. Don't delete everything. Just put your cursor back. So delete the 1. Next number was 2. That next number is 8. Delete the 2. Put the 3. And then, just keep deleting these and replacing that middle number. And it'll get you all your answers. So once you type it in correctly once, then just keep deleting that middle number. And it'll get you your new number. It'll be super fast on a calculator. And that's all we're doing today. Let's do another one. Ooh, fractions. So in this problem, we are going to use fractions. But first, let's figure out the pattern in the table to fill in these last 2 spots. So 8, or negative 8 to 0, I see is plus 8. 0 to 8 is plus 8. So what am I going to do here? Plus 8. So I got 16. Come on, 16. Plus 8 is 24. Okay. Now, you might be scared of fractions, but it's okay. It's not that bad. So the best part about fractions is when you multiply them, you just multiply straight across. So we got 3/8 times 8 over 1. You could turn any whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. Doesn't change them. So now and then don't forget the minus 5. So 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. What's 24 divided by 8? 3. So now we got 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. But say you don't want to do that, you don't like fractions, please go to the Desmos calculator. So go to the Desmos calculator, and we got 3/8 x minus 5, and our next number is 0. So delete. Here is your fraction button. Click fraction. We got 3 on top, 8 on the bottom. Make sure you press the arrow to move it over so that way it's not under your fraction. Then we're going to press times, and our next number is 0. And don't forget, I think it's plus 5. Oh, minus 5. So we're going to do minus 5 next. Minus, oops, 5. And our answer is negative 5. So we have a negative 5. Our next number we're going to swap in is 8. So go back to the calculator. Go and erase the 0. And what number am I going to put next? 8. And look at that. Negative 2. See, you don't have to type it in every time. Don't delete everything every time. You don't even have to press enter. Like, just go back to this one and keep swapping out that middle number. So now it's going to be negative 2. My next number is 16. So erase the 8. Put a 16. Whoa, it's 1. Put a 1. Next number is 24. Erase the 16. 24. Whoa, it's 4. So I'm going to go here, put 4. And we're done. All right, let me know if you have any questions.